Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to go over what permission sets are in Salesforce and how you can create one. So just as a quick refresher, there are two ways that open up object level access in Salesforce. The first being profiles and the second being permission sets. Permission sets are only used to open up access and never to restrict access. To create a permission set from setup, we'll navigate to the quick find box and type in permission sets. From here, we're going to create a new permission set. So we'll click new. I'm going to label this permission set car sales manager. As you can see, the API name auto populates. We're going to leave description blank. I'm also going to leave session activation required unchecked. It's not necessary for this example. I'm also going to leave this license to none because as you can see, it says choose none if you plan to assign this permission set to multiple users with different users and permission set licenses. So we'll click save from here. If you're familiar with profiles, you'll notice that most, if not all of these settings that you see right here are the same that you'll see if you're setting up and customizing a profile. Out of all these settings, the settings that I believe are the most important for you to learn for the test are in object settings. So as you can see, this is a list of all of the objects in your Salesforce org. Right now, this permission set has no access for all of them. For today's example, we're going to navigate to opportunities. So if we scroll down to opportunities, as I mentioned previously, permission sets are used to open up or to grant access. So we're going to use this permission set to grant delete permissions. To do this, we'll click on edit. And from here, I'm going to click on read, create, edit, and delete, and then click save. So before I go ahead and assign this permission set to a user, I actually want to show you real quick. I'm going to navigate to another tab I have open. This is a user in my org named Elon Bezos. As you can see, he has the custom sales profile. If we click on that and we navigate to object settings for this profile, and if we scroll down to opportunities, as you can see for this custom sales profile, it only has read, create, and edit enabled for the opportunity permissions. What this means is if we navigate back to Elon Bezos and I log in as Elon, so I'll click log in. We'll click on the opportunities tab, view all opportunities. I'll click on an opportunity Elon owns. And as you can see, if you click on this drop down, there's no delete permission. So if I assign the new permission set we just made to Elon, this should show a delete button afterwards. So I'm going to log out as Elon. So now that I'm logged out, I'm going to navigate back to Elon's user record. And you can do this with any user in your org other than yourself because you're a system admin. So just create another user if you haven't already. To assign the permission set that we created, we'll navigate up to this permission set assignments. We'll click on edit assignments. And as you can see, our car sales manager permission set is available. So we'll click on that and then click add and then save. Well, that's not good. We'll go back up to home, navigate back to Elon. And even though we got that error message, it shows that it has assigned that permission set. So now to test if it worked, we'll log back in as that user, navigate back to opportunities. We're going to click on the opportunity. And if we go to this drop down, we should see a delete option. And as you can see, the delete button is now available. That's all I have for this video. I know that was a pretty simple example, but as long as you understand that permission sets are used to open up access at the object level, then you have a good enough understanding to build upon that base knowledge. If you found this video helpful, I'd appreciate if you give it a like. And if you're not subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe as well. Thank you all for watching today, and I'll see you in the next video.